Connecting to the Internet. Learning object. Learning about the following points. Browser and World Wide Web. Working with Google. Browser software. A browser is a software which can read web pages written in hypertext markup language, that is HTML. Browsers give you access to the millions of web pages on the World Wide Web. The Internet Explorer, Netscape Navigator, or Firefox are some of the popular browsers. These browsers can be downloaded free from the company's website. Browsing is using browser software to visit different websites on the World Wide Web. Here you will learn more about the Internet Explorer, which is the default window browser. The Internet Explorer. The Internet Explorer is launched by double-clicking the icon on the desktop. When it is double-clicked, the Internet Explorer window opens up. Title bar. The title bar shows the name of the currently accessed web page. In case a website is not accessible, it gives the message "Server not found." Menu bar. The menu bar shows the menu which provide commands to carry out different tasks in the browser. The File menu lets you open pages written in HTML in the Internet Explorer. It also allows you to open, save, and print web pages. The Edit menu lets you use the cut and copy features. The Favorites menu lets you mark your favorite web pages for future reference. If you want to mark the current web page for future access, follow these steps. Click Favorite menu. Add to Favorite. The Add Favorite dialog box appears. Enter a name for the page. The web page will be added to your favorite list. The Standard Toolbar. The Standard Toolbar has buttons which help you to quickly access the browser tools. Back takes you to the previously visited page. Forward takes you to the page from where you use the back button. Stop puts a halt on the loading the current page. When a page is loading very slowly, it is a good idea to press the stop button and try loading the page once again. Reload or refresh loads the current web page once again. Sometimes a web page may not download properly into your computer. Refreshing the page solves the problem. Home takes you to the home page of the website you are currently in. Search connects the user to search tool on website like Microsoft.com, Google.com, and Yahoo.com. Print lets you print the current page in your web browser. The address bar. This is where we type the URL, that is Uniform Resource Locator, or address of the website we want to visit. Press the Enter key or use the Go button to confirm your command. The access indicator on the upper right-hand corner of the browser signals if the browser software is accessing the web server. Sometimes the internet connectivity is disrupted due to some reasons. In such cases, the access indicator is a useful indicator to show loss of connection. The status bar. The status bar shows you the addresses of the sites you are visiting. It displays messages telling you the status of your connection, such as if the web server has been connected and when the download has been completed. World Wide Web. The World Wide Web is a huge connection of documents called web pages written in hypertext markup language (HTML). These pages are linked to each other by the hyperlinks. When a hyperlink takes you to a picture or a video, it's known as hypermedia. The World Wide Web was connected in 1990 at CERN, Switzerland, at the European Laboratories of Practice Physics by the young scientist Tim Berners-Lee. The World Wide Web is now managed by the committee, which is known as World Wide Web Consortium, that is, W3C. A website is a collection of web pages related to each other on a common topic. A website is located on a net server. A web portal is a website which hosts other websites. So a web portal will have hyperlinks to other websites. For example, yahoo.com, rediffmail.com, AOL. The client-server computing. The World Wide Web is based on the client-server architecture. The word architecture refers to the technology on which it is modeled. Client-server computing have three components. The client, which is your PC and is also known as workstation. The client machine has the browser software. The server is a powerful PC and can store a lot of information. The net server services the requests sent by the browser on the client machines. The network which connects the clients to the server. Internet Protocol (IP). Every computer connected to the Internet is given a unique address called its IP address, Internet Protocol address. 13.152.0.20 is an example of an IP address. URL. A website is stored on a net server. Every website on the Internet has a unique address known as its Uniform Resource Locator or URL. Given below are the URL of some sites. http://www.delhiinternationalschools.edu or http://www.google.com. When you enter the URL in the browser's address bar, it causes the home page of the site to appear in your browser. The home page of a website will have links to the other pages of the site.